Hello students, how are you? Today will be class number 13 in science. Today we will speak a little bit about stress. Who haven't experienced stress in his life? I guess everybody has experienced stress in his life. Studying a lot or doing a presentation or something like that in our life. Let us be a little bit stressful or sometimes too much stressful. So let's talk a little bit about stress. Okay, what is stress? Okay, so we will begin with the definition of the stress. Stress usually is a condition in which the person responds to changes in the normal balanced state. Silly, non-specific response of the body to any kind of demand made upon it. Any event or environmental internal demands or both tax or exceed the adaptive resources of an individual, social system, or tissue system. So, stress and adaptation. There is usually the stressor. This is any event or stimulus that causes an individual to experience stress. So this is what causes stress, what is called stressor. They may neither positive or negative, but they have positive or negative effects. Internal stressor, like the illness or hormonal change or fear. External stressor, for example, loud noise, cold temperature. Development stressor and situational stressor. So, coping a problem-solving process that the person used to manage the stresses or event which he or she is presented. So, now, adaptation of the stress is the process by which human system modifies itself to conform to the environment. It is a change that results from response to stress. So when you are stressed, your human system will create something to modify itself to be able to adapt to the stress. Okay, so this is the adaptation system of the stress, or the adaptation process of the stress. So there is four sources for the stress. They are can be internal, can be external, developmental, and situational. So the characteristics of stress now. It's universal phenomenon. That means everybody experience stress. It's independent of where somebody lives. In all the countries of the world, the people can have stress. It's an individual experience. Everybody can have his own experience. For example, somebody can be stressed from the noise. Somebody can be stressed from an illness. Somebody can be stressed because he studied a lot. So each body has his own experience. So it provides stimulus for growth and change. It affects all dimensions of life. That means children, adults, everybody can feel stress. It's not a nervous energy. So there is a lot of effects of stress on the body. Physical can be affecting physiological homeostasis, emotional affects feeling toward self, intellectual influences perception and problem-solving abilities. It can have a social effect, can alter relationships with others, and spiritual affects one's beliefs and values. So the effects of stress on the body can be metabolic disorders like hypothyroidism, diabetes, cancer, accidents prone, skin disorders, respiratory disorders, CVD, that is coronary artery disease, essential hypertension, CHF, GIT disorders like constipation, diarrhea, duodenal ulcer, obesity, menstrual irregularities for women, and another problem like musculoskeletal disorders. So the stress is not good to our life. So we need to be more relaxed, and more relaxed, because everybody has his difficulties in life. So we need to take care of ourselves, because stress is not good for health. And sometimes we can have stress from the how to say, for our diet that is not too healthy, and this is cause obesity and some other disorders that will lead to stress and sometimes will lead to depression. Okay, students, so this is the class of today. I hope you have enjoyed, and please remember, this class of today is an extension of the text that you have with you. So to answer the worksheet, you need to how to say, you need to read the text well and answer it. Okay, so if you have any question, please let me know, and good luck. Take care. Bye.